I was James's second customer from right the beginning. I was James's first customer in this location. When I first went down to James, I went in with the idea that I wanted a mechanic that I could trust and that I liked and at a reasonable price. I spoke with James for quite a while and he seemed to fit the bill perfectly. And I've been with him ever since for 18 years now, and I wouldn't go anywhere else. Even with my brand new cars, I come right here all the time. I continue to come back here because when I leave my car, I know it's going to be worked on perfectly. Everything is going to be right because James teaches his mechanics the way he wants it done. And when I pick my car up, no matter where I'm going, if it's out to the Cape, down south if I'm driving, or up in the Maine, I know my car is going to make it and it's going to come back because it's been done right.